Welcome to another episode here at Trusted Auto Repair. Today we are working on this 2006 Land Rover, Range Rover. Customer wanted a full tune-up. He wanted us to change his spark plugs and coil packs. So we're going to be working on that today. This is the HSE 4.4 liter. So to start, you want to pull this tab and open the hood. And usually there's screws in here. We realize there's no screws inside, but you do have to also remove this oil cap and get this engine cover out of the way. It's best to close this cap again so that nothing goes inside the motor. All right, there's also there are two plastics that are missing. There's supposed to be a plastic right here that's held in by clips, and there's you should be able to just pry it out. It's covering the coil packs, and the spark plugs are obviously under them. And same on the other side, these two plastics are missing. I did tell the customer, and we're probably going to order some for him. But for the time being, I want to start off by taking out the 8mm bolts that are holding the coil packs. All right, these bolts are a little bit rusty. You want to take your time and at least get them loose. So there's that one right there. And once you get them loose with the tool, you can take it out with your hand afterwards. Or you can use the actual socket and just untwist it. It's best to stay as organized as possible. I say that in all my videos. It just makes the job a lot cleaner. Take your time. You don't want to remove these bolts too quickly and end up dropping them. Alright, that's the 4 bolts. Now to remove the connector, you just have to press on it and have to squeeze it and take it out. Alright, so we got a little flathead. What we're going to do is we're going to try to pry it right in between the connector. And that's just because when I was pressing on this, it wasn't opening as much because the plastic is just a little bit older. And then you can remove the coil pack. We'll do one example here. So that's, or we'll go ahead and remove the first two so that we don't get confused. That's 2. And that's the, that's kind of the way. Gotta twist and move. So that's 2. Might as well remove all of them. You can always do it separately if you feel more comfortable doing one at a time, by all means. Right down that plastic and get it out. That's 3. That's 3. And then you have the 4th one here. That's 4. Alright. Now, the spark plugs, which sit inside the cylinder, can usually come out with a 16mm. You always want to verify. So you want to put this inside. Once it gets a nice grip, you can just bolt it. Use this tool. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Alright, so we're gonna remove this right here because it's kind of in the way. So it's held by 2 10mm bolts. That's gonna make things a lot easier, I think. Since we can just kind of get it out the way. Just a little bit out the way, just enough to where we can check out the spark plugs and be comfortable taking it out. Alright, now that all the spark plugs inside are loose, if you don't have a special tool, you can use a magnet, put it inside the cylinder. Spark plugs should just come out easily. You're gonna lay them down right here for now. That's 1. That's 2. This one needs a little bit more. That should be good right there. That's 3. And that's 4. Alright. Now we're going to grab 4 of the new ones, as well as 4 coil packs. We're going to grab coil packs here. Spark plugs, you don't want to slam it too hard. Just kind of gently drop it, make sure the threaded side is going inside. And I wouldn't necessarily recommend the power tool here. I would recommend just feel it out and screw it in with your hand. And then once it gets to the end, you can use a tool, you can use a ratchet. You don't have to kill tighten it, but you want to give it, you want to go all the way down, and then just a little tight, not too much. So that's 1. And we'll go ahead and put all the spark plugs inside first. We already put them inside, so we want to go ahead and tighten. So we'll go ahead and tighten all the spark plugs, all 4. Of course, there's 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. And the only thing I'm going to record is this side. But the other side is the exact same concept. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just have to kind of maneuver and work your tools around it. And take your time, and once you do exactly what you do here on that side, you'll be done. That's going to be a complete tune-up, coil packs, and spark plugs. So that's the second one. That's the third cylinder that we're working on. The last one. Attach this, grab it from top. Alright, now I'm going to put the coil packs in. Once you put them inside the cylinder, you want to give them a little bit of a press. Go ahead and connect the connector. Alright, it clicked. Go ahead and put the 8mm bolts inside. Again, these you don't want to kill tighten them either. You want to tighten them, but you don't want to tighten them too hard because if they break, that is a big problem. I want to find our 8mm socket. Put an extension on that. That's it, nothing more than that. On to the next one. Slowly put it down. Make sure the connector's out of the way. And then you can just press it in. And then put this connector piece back on. Slowly put your 8mm bolt. Certain places it's better to use this tool. Or without it. Should be more than plenty. And we have 2 more. Push it in place. Connector. There you have it. That's 4. Exact same thing you do on the other side. And then you can fire up your car and you'll have a fresh tune-up. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good day.